Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you or your husband have a beard?
I did not realize how much care goes into having a beard. My husband just decided to grow his out, so he told me that he needed to get some beard oil. And now I understand why. After getting this product, I can really see the difference in his beard. Once he applies it, he combs it down, and you can really see the effects that the beard oil has because the comb is going really nice and flowing through his beard. The beard oil really puts a nice shine on his skin, makes it really stand out, the really nice caramel tint. Even though the bottle is small, a little bit goes a long way. So you can get a lot out of this little bottle. Look how oily his hands are after 1 or 2 squirts.
So if you want to keep your beard looking sharp, looking fresh and moist, I would definitely recommend this product. And that's my point of view.